Alright guys, got the 92 F-150 back in the shop. Just again, it's got the 300 straight 6 motor. And my problem right now, one of the problems, the problem I'm trying to fix is I've got, for the past year probably, I've got this, I forget which code it was. I think it's like a 327. I forget. That's my best memory. But right now, the check engine light comes on intermittently when I have like any heavy loads, high acceleration. And right now, it seems like I'm getting worse fuel mileage. I'm getting on average about 12. I used to get on average from 14. About 14 I could get up to 15, sometimes 16 I think. But we're gonna try this. This is a washer. Don't lose it. It's a 3/4 inch washer. Well, that's what I need is a 3/4 inch washer. This one measures closer to 7/8. But when I looked up what a 3/4 inch washer measures, it's supposed to measure 13/16. And this is a 1/16 bigger than this. And they said to get one with an 1/8 inch hole. This hole is actually 3/16, which is a 1/16 bigger than 1/8. But we're gonna see if this washer fits on the back side of this EGR tube that runs up here at this point. So we'll still have the EGR valve working correctly so that the check engine light goes off, but we'll have restricted a lot of flow into this intake. Let's see what we go. I have just started putting PB Blaster on this nut. We're gonna see here. We might have to come back to it after we eat or another day. See if I can crack this off. I've got a 1/16 open edge.
That we had handy in our shop. Yeah, that is a bent wrench right there.
Let's see if I can bend it the other direction.
Right? Ain't budging.
Alright. Get me a breaker bar. I'm using a hammer.
Okay.
Alright, let's see here what kind of leverage we got.
Should have quite a bit.
Hopefully I don't break the intake manifold or something stupid.
Yeah, that could be really bad.
It's bolted on here, just watch it.
The whole engine.
Some guys have broken a couple things before.
Have you ever broken anything?
Oh man. What am I gonna do?
How hard was it to get it started? I wasn't videoing there.
It was difficult and I didn't want to break anything. Like I've heard some guys soak this a couple days. I just sprayed a little bit of PB Blaster and kept spraying. Thought about deleting my EGR completely, but I'd have to get a $28. I could buy a blocker plate for about $10. And I could buy a
EGR delete kit.
yeah,
Wiring.
a connector here that makes the check engine light not come on. And it'd have to block off that vacuum tube. But when I just now had that vacuum tube off for a check, the check engine light stayed on.
So
I need that light. And I want to see if I can get a washer up in here.
oh, okay. I see. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing and hitting that bell.
Video ain't over yet. Alright. That is a 3/4 inch washer
but it's
in
just
there
a
with
reminder.
about an 1/8 of an inch hole. It's like a 3/16, I think. Oh, let's see if it'll go. Nope. Alright guys. I'm gonna work this around. Make it a 3/4 instead of a 7/8. see now. Yeah, I'm liking that. I'm loving that.
Awesome.
After we test it out, huh? I only have that light. I can't see to start with. And to finish with, this is not starting to thread. As always with modifications, it doesn't go back together as smoothly as you thought it would. But this is a modification I'm hoping will work, and I still have my EGR in here.
Exactly.
For free.
Right.
Let's see if this works.
This is how you do free fix. Hopefully. We'll see. We'll let y'all know. We'll probably take a video of a test drive and then drive it some more and just let y'all know if we see that check engine light come on. And so yeah, we'll see. How do you put torque spec on this? What are you gonna do for that? You just gonna torque it as tight as you can do it?
You can feel when something's tight, my friend. You don't need torque specs on everything, just like specific engine component. This is not one of them. This just has to be tight and hopefully sealed.
Yeah.
Because it's too tight, it's a pain to get off, like you saw in the beginning of this video.
Let's see here, what kind of leverage we got. Should have quite a bit.
If they watch the beginning of this video,
And yeah, I can't answer my phone when my hands are all dirty, guys. Sorry for my phone going off. Alright.
sorry, Dad. Sorry, Mom. we're coming to eat.
20 minutes later,
Right?
3 wrenches,
Messy
dirty
and messy hair.
always PD blaster.
And since I told him about his messy hair, he wants to fix it.
And 4 tough.
Yes. Yes, guys.
Alright, guys. Yeah, we'll probably do a test drive, let you know if that fixed it or not.
And we just left the hood cracked open because we wanted to.